the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And then when you get
Hey guys, so today's video is gonna be a tutorial. I don't even know if you could call it a tutorial because I had no idea what I was doing, but it's basically a video just showing you guys how I do this half up, half down hairstyle myself. And it's already a struggle, like finding good hairstylists in New York City. Like, you charge your arm and a leg and they don't want to do anything. Like, they want you to come with your hair washed, blow dried, braided. Like, damn girl, do you want me to sew the hair in too? Like, so I was like, you know what, let me just try to do this hairstyle by myself because I'm always down to save a coin. You're going to see me fumble through it. Like, it's really hard to do your own hair, honestly, but this is the easiest way that I felt like it would be to do on yourself. So if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, if you like how it looks, if you're interested, just keep on watching this video. This is a weaving cap, so you're going to need some kind of weaving cap or a dome cap, something that, basically whatever you would use to make a wig, you're going to need something like that. So I have a weaving cap I'm going to use today. Also, you're going to need a pair of scissors. In here I have a box full of needle and thread, so you're going to need needle and thread. You're going to need some combs. And I have a bunch of stuff here just to section my hair off. Another thing you're going to need is some hair. So today I'm using 3 bundles. I'm going to put 2 of my bundles in the back here, and then I'm going to use 1 for the front to the ponytail. To my monitor right now because I really don't have a mirror here. Okay, so I got this front section parted off. So the next part I'm going to make out is going to be directly behind it. That's going to be for the leave out. Parted from about here all the way around to the other side, right underneath my ear, so that all the tracks underneath are covered and I'm not leaving any of the hair out. So I'm just going to take this here too, and I'm going to pull it forward into this ponytail because I don't want to braid that up. I'm doing. So you do have to know how to do a basic braid to do this hairstyle. If you don't know how to really braid your hair, see if you could get somebody to braid it for you. If you have somebody at home that could do it. So these 2 braids, I'm going to combine them and I'm going to sew it down. I'm just going to grab one of my needles and sew that down real quick. Take that needle. That. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my head real quick. Oh, my bad. So what I'm going to do is put this on my head, right? And I'm going to outline my braid pattern on here. And I'm just going to outline like my braid pattern. So I start from around the top. Okay, and here I just have my hair. This hair is from Barry's Fashion Hair, something like that. I'll put the link to where I got it from in the description. I think this is 18, 20, and 22 inches. So I'm going to use the 2 longest bundles on the wig, and then the shorter one I'm going to use for my ponytail at the top. And you don't want to sew outside of that line. I'm gonna start to sew the actual wig on. So I'm just gonna line it up. So now I'm just gonna work on the rest of my hair. Potato chips. So this is gonna cover all of this, like I said before. Now I'm just gonna flat iron this front section, and I'm gonna scrunchie this off real quick. Now I'm gonna actually work on the ponytail in the front. So I have my last bundle here. That's what I'm gonna use. The ponytail, and I'm gonna use a few products to slick my hair down. We use Murray's beeswax, and I also have the Style Factor Edge Booster. This is just the peach scented one, I think. I'm gonna use this to slick my actual hair down. Then I use the edge control in the front. Because it's not a water-based product, my hair is not going to curl back up. That's something you have to keep in mind when you have natural hair. If you use any kind of water-based product, like gel, like Eco Styler for example, it makes your natural hair texture come back through. Alright, so right now I'm just doing a little bit of baby hair, nothing crazy. And then while this is like doing whatever, while I add my ponytail in, I'm gonna just wrap this up. I'm gonna use a wrap strip. So if you don't have wrap strips, you could just use like a scarf or like a pair of stockings if you have any. Okay. So I have like my last bundle of hair, and unfortunately this hair is all cut up. So I'm gonna have to be a little strategic with how I do it. If I had just one straight bundle, I could just wrap it around and bobby pin it, but I'm gonna have to do this in pieces because this hair is cut up. So what I'm gonna do instead of using bobby pins is I'm gonna be sewing the tracks onto this little bun right here. Like I said, if you have just one whole bundle, you don't have to do this. It's gonna take way longer, but I have to do it this way because my hair is cut up. So don't be like me. After I finish with these short pieces at the top, I'm gonna start to go around just to close it up.
Still the real me, I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And then when you get to the top, and I see that you've been learning. And when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump, that confirmed it. Track money,
At this point, I'm gonna take this off because I only have one piece of hair left, and I need to be able to see what it looks like. My last piece, so that end piece of this track I'm going to use just to wrap around the ponytail. I'll probably get that off the way for a second. And take this. Can't see that. And then I'm just gonna put a few bobby pins in it just to make sure it doesn't come out of place. And I'm also gonna spray with spritz.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always, Katie. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I don't know when it's geeky.
And I'm happy that it came out the way that I wanted it to. And if you're smart, not like I was, if you're smart and you just use one whole bundle for the ponytail instead of all those little pieces that I had, this is going to be so much easier for you. Like, so much easier. I made it harder for myself. Sorry, that won't be on your hair. That's what it is. Good.